Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer backups from Acronis to Google Drive, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have Acronis True Image installed on your device. Open the Acronis True Image application. Navigate to the backup section in the left sidebar. Find the backup you want to transfer to Google Drive. Click on the three dots next to the chosen backup. Select Explore Backup from the drop-down menu. In the open window, locate the files you wish to transfer. Select the desired files and click on Restore. Choose Browse to specify a new location for the restored files. Select a folder on your local storage where you want to save these files. Click OK to begin the restoration process. Wait for the restoration to complete. Once the restoration is done, open your web browser. Sign in to your Google Drive account. Locate the New button on the left-hand side of the Google Drive interface. Click on New and select File Upload or Folder Upload, depending on your needs. Navigate to the folder where you restored your Acronis backup files. Select the files or folder you wish to upload. Click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to finish, and verify that the files now appear in your Google Drive. If you have multiple backups, repeat the restoration and upload process for each one. You have now successfully transferred your backups from Acronis to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.